Hey everyone, if you're getting upload errors in NotebookLM in 2026, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix file upload problems and get your documents working again. Upload issues can include files that won't upload, processing failures, unsupported file messages, or uploads that get stuck. First, make sure you're uploading a file type supported by NotebookLM, such as PDFs, Google Docs, or supported text documents. Open the file on your device to confirm it works correctly before uploading it. Large files may take longer to process. Try compressing oversized documents before uploading. Refresh the NotebookLM page and try uploading the file again. A weak or unstable connection can interrupt uploads and cause errors. Corrupted browser data can sometimes prevent successful uploads. Extensions like ad blockers or privacy tools may interfere with file uploads. Open NotebookLM in an incognito or private browsing window and attempt the upload again. If the problem continues, try another browser to determine whether the issue is browser-specific. Sometimes NotebookLM may be experiencing temporary upload or processing problems. Waiting and trying again later can help. For the best upload experience, use clean PDFs, stable internet, and updated browsers. A common mistake is repeatedly uploading the same corrupted file without checking whether the document itself is damaged. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to fix NotebookLM upload errors in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.